Hi everyone, this is Sukhbir. I wanted to talk about my time in lockdown. I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone is safe. I've been home since March 8th. 7th of March was my last performance in India. After that I flew back and decided that it would not be safe to travel before a lockdown was imposed in Dubai. So just decided that it's safer to do so. Been home since then. Lockdown for me personally has been a very positive and enriching experience. Number one, I got to spend a lot of time with family, with my kids, because I used to travel a lot and got very little time with them. So this has been very, very good, and I appreciate that a lot. Apart from that, I think I've had a lot of time to contemplate, to go within, to pray a lot, meditate, be one with myself. I don't get much time for that either. So that's another positive thing. Thirdly, I've started sketching again, something I haven't done for the last 16 years. It's something I really enjoy. It gives me peace of mind. I just sat outside and, within the home, but outside the front door, and started sketching again. So I'm very happy to do that. And apart from that, I think I've downloaded a new music software which I'm learning how to make music on that. Working on some new music as well, and that's something that takes उसके साथ टाइम कैसे पास होता है पता ही नहीं चलता. एक गाना आप शुरू करते हो, कब शुरू हुआ, कब ख़त्म हुआ, कब रात हुई, कब सुबह हुई, कुछ पता नहीं चलता है. Time just flies, and it's something you just immerse yourself in. It doesn't have to be necessarily towards a commercial project. It's just making music for the sake of creating something, and for me it's a very satisfying journey to start from nothing. You get one small idea, or sometimes you just sit on the keyboard, you start playing a few keys, and just starts building into this nice. So you have like a blank canvas to start with, musically speaking, and you just with a one stroke and dire dire you just keep working at it. A song is never finished, just as a painting is never completed. So you can always add that extra stroke, ek aur. But the main thing is enjoying the journey. So the destination is not important here, and that's something I enjoy a lot. Just making music for the sake of music. But apart from just the sake of making music, I've worked on some new songs, which you'll get to hear very, very soon, hopefully. So this is my musical part of things. And if I talk about personally at home, I'm a handyman. I like doing everything myself. For example, हमारे घर में central AC है, और because of lockdown the AC companies are not coming home, and it's also safer not to interact with people. So I decided to learn how to service all the AC units. So सब मैंने खुद किए, फिल्टर निकाल के अंदर जाके जो डक्ट्स होते हैं उनको साफ़ करना, फिल्टर्स को साफ़ करना, वापस रिप्लेस करना. कोई वाटर लीक हो, अगर पानी आ रहा है, AC का लीक हो रहा है, वो भी ठीक कर दिया. The way how I do it is I just go on to YouTube and watch some how-to videos, and तो बड़े आराम से सब कुछ सीख जाते हैं. I love cooking as well, so I've been making. My friend Chef Talwar from Kitchen Craft has given me some recipes, and one recipe which I really wanted was dal bukhara, which I am not going to share with anybody because it's a secret, and it takes I think अगर हमको खाना है दाल बुखारा खाना है तो 3 दिन के बाद मिलेगा. So you have to soak them tonight, and tomorrow the whole day you have to cook, and the day after you get to eat. So that I felt very good about कि यार एक चीज़ मैं बना सकता हूँ, which I'm very, very happy about. I've been baking a lot as well, baked cakes. Today I made a brownie with my son Kabir. That was very nice. So I've been losing weight, and so far I've lost 6 kilos. I know many people are just gaining weight. I've got that complaint from all my friends here in Dubai as well कि बैठे बैठे खाई जा रहे हैं. मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं बैठे बैठे I can lose some weight. So I've been doing that. Very happy about that as well. Exercising, not very much, to be honest. Just controlling how much I eat. What works best with me is just portion control, and I've been working on that. So practicing singing and making new music. That's what I've been spending my time on. So thank you very much, guys. And before I go, let me sing 2 lines for you. Dil dena dil lena, dil dena te dil lena, hai sauda khara khara, hai sauda khara khara. Thank you very much. Hopefully we shall meet very, very soon.